In a busy everyday life, it is hard and often overwhelming for most of us to cut through the noise and navigate in the landscape of misinformation and collect the evidence-based knowledge we need. That's why we have created an evidence-based learning portal focused on different dimensions of health, our planet and environment, our personal well-being, our interrelations, our emotional health and empowerment, and our coexistence with wild and farmed animals. About 50% of adult Americans are living with some form of cardiovascular disease, such as heart disease and stroke. However, 80% of premature heart attacks and strokes are preventable with a healthy lifestyle. Sustainability, health, animal welfare, psychology, and empowerment. The first letters of these disciplines form the word shape. At Shape Your Future Life, we address the why and the what to do. The two founders of Shape Your Future Life have decided to combine and dedicate their professional insight and skills to provide the knowledge that enables people to live a happy, healthy, and sustainable life. Anne is an MD, PhD, and a specialist in diagnosing breast cancer. From her professional position, she observes the increasing number of people suffering from lifestyle and chronic diseases. She has studied the disciplines of lifestyle medicine and its ability to prevent and even reverse disease. Anne is married to Pierre. He is an examined psychotherapist and author of 6 books. He has a long creative and academic background. For the past 25 years, he has worked as an advisor and coach for individuals, couples, and teams to improve their skills as individuals and leaders. Join our community on YouTube and on our website. Like, follow, comment, share.